Hello, my name's Guy Watson and I'd like to introduce you to what we at the Lawncare Man believe is the future of broadacre spraying in the West Australian turf and public open space spraying market. Now, in designing and having this machine built, I had 4 key drivers in mind, and these were: does this machine feature unique and worthwhile innovation? Will the machine be able to provide a reliability of performance? And can we guarantee precision in our product application? And now, when these 3 points are achieved, are we going to be able to provide accountability for the client through spray data generation from detailed coverage maps? Now, firstly, in addressing the innovation demand, we turn to what's been acceptable normal practice on 120-foot booms throughout the world's agricultural areas for decades, but for some reason just hasn't found its way into the broadacre turf market. We condensed this proven technology down to a 6-metre boom. It's John Deere proven performance. All the components found on the huge rigs are found on this machine. The on-cab Starfire satellite receiver works alongside the Generation 3 touchscreen interface, controlling the auto track auto steer, the individual nozzle control. We've added an on-cab weather station downloading real-time actual situation weather data into your end of spray task report. As far as reliability of performance criteria, I decided, as stated, to work exclusively with John Deere. They've been world leaders in agricultural machinery and spray technology for generations. What we've done is take the mechanical reliability of John Deere and incorporate the cutting-edge spray technology. It's all John Deere, from the 3-litre diesel, to the ProGator 2030A chassis, to the 4-wheel drive, to the induction tank, to the rate controller, to the touchscreen, to the auto track auto steer, all the way up to the Starfire 6000 satellite receiver. Now, this all finishes in and checks in via the John Deere Operations Centre, which, if we need it, can provide instant technical support and advice. No mixed componentry, no incompatible elements in the chain. Now, what about the all-important precision? With the satellite receiver, we plot field boundaries. Then the auto steer and individual nozzle control takes over, guaranteeing exact coverage down to 10 millimetres. No foam marker, no panic public. We use proven technology to guarantee no costly overspray and associated damage or even embarrassing underlap. We can even mark inner no spray boundaries within an existing sprayable area, such as cricket wickets, goalpost areas, ground under repair, even golf greens and bunkers can be marked as an internal no spray zone. We also incorporate a shrouded boom featuring an air-inducted tri-nozzle setup that caters for solution rates from 200 to 1,000 litres a hectare. We have wind and weather data on the interface in the cab. If the wind speed gets up, we can pause the job, returning even days later when weather conditions are suitable once again for applying that particular product, resuming the task at the exact point we left off. Not mentioned previously is our ability to spray when conditions are at their absolute best throughout the night, for example. Why spray in peak evaporation times when we can spray through the night? We get 100% of the product on and in. Best practice, less closure to fields and less public disapproval and less public disruption. Accountability, the all-important part of finishing the task. The spray contractor and the end user receiver is now under more pressure than ever to show, to prove just what and how that product has been applied. Has a target rate been achieved? Have you got what you ordered, paid for? Colour-coded spray mapping showing application speeds, average total solutions, average applications per hectare, wind speeds beginning, during and end of job, temperatures, even delta T ratings can be mapped. Totals of active ingredients used, additives used, and much more data can be generated. We can custom design the report to fit your needs. And now all this goes towards creating a spray package that addresses what has, in some cases, been lacking in the past. The Lawncare Man and John Deere, rewriting standards of performance, precision and accountability.